Online students, am I audible to you? Come in. Online students, am I audible? Okay. Good evening, students. Now I'll start the session now. So last session, I have completed about Oracle. Python with Oracle communication. Oracle I did not complete. I completed Python with Oracle communication. I completed. Oracle completed. I got a doubt about it when I become Oracle faculty. So sometimes whatever you feel, you will speak. That's a problem. So let it be, students, because you are the students now, you will speak like that only. So let us start taking about entering into the further. Now I'm entering into another area. So as we know that, and here, let's start, open it, 6 p.m. Python Oracle. So there the index I'm opening. This is the one we completed it. This parts, everything I explained according to the Oracle in the mind. Today I'm talking about MySQL. So MySQL is also called what? One RDBMS database software, which is developed by, as on today, developed by, it's an open source actually. As on today, that software also handed over to what? Handed over by Oracle Corporation. MySQL is also under what? Under whom management now? Oracle Corporation. And MySQL is the best database software for compared to all the database softwares. Yes, Mawani, link for installation, sir. They are waiting for SAR installation link. Myself only. Actually, I have in my WhatsApp web. I want to keep it. Vani, today I will keep it, ma. I'm telling from 2 days onwards. Actually, that link providing and all, I'm not responsible. I'm responsible for my Python and NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. So I'm additionally helping. It is there in my WhatsApp web. I had to open WhatsApp web. I had to scan it and I have to keep it. So I'll keep it today, ma. And you are waiting for my link only. SAR will give link, I will install. If SAR did not give link, what I will do? That's why, students, try to have some relation, friends, and all those things. You have so many friends, but they don't have the knowledge, right? So I will keep him, compulsory I will keep. Shravanti also asked me the same link. Shravanti is also there. And Shravanti, there or not, I don't know. Maybe she is there in the class. Shravanti is there. She feeling that Sir said yesterday, he said that he will give, but he did not give. She did not ask now. Yes, ma. Today I will keep it every compulsory. I will keep it today at any cost. Night to 10 o'clock, I will keep the link. Compulsory, I will keep it because actually, this is delayed because of it is not my subject actually, but still I'll keep it. No issue. Okay, Mayank is also one student. He's waiting for the link. Sir will give, KVR sir will give. They will click on the link. That's all. It will install. Like that they are thinking. Okay, ma, no problem. Let me start my subject. Link I will give you. So this I will go for installing with what? This I am going to introduce with MySQL. In one day, you have to communicate with MySQL. So we discussed 5 days about what? Oracle communication, Python with Oracle communication. Now I'm going to say what? Python communication with MySQL. So I'll go to this place. Python with what? Oracle database communication. I'll open it. I'll copy. I'll put a new one here. Just to follow me, students. Here I'm writing Python communication with what? MySQL. MySQL database communication. MySQL database communication. I just want to go for it. So import CX_Oracle. This is related to which one? Oracle. Now I'm going to do what today? So I have to import what? MySQL related module or not? I need to go for what? MySQL dot connector module. What is the module name? MySQL dot connector module. That's all. Module. And import what? Other modules if required. Finished. But you have to install this MySQL connector. How to install? I'll show you that. So here, Visharani, my M capital, SQL capital will give you 24 errors. Compulsory 24 errors will come. So that time we'll say SAR will write always small and the student will write in capital letter and they will say, sir, error is coming. They will put that error on my head only. How I wrote it and how you will write, you must take care. Okay, ma'am? Right. Don't feel that because I have to give such a direct response. So you will be shocked. Oh, sorry, highlighting my mistake. When somebody highlights a mistake, they will set right immediately. That is my belief, what I feel it. Correct or not? Yes. So every Python program must get connection from where? MySQL. MySQL. How to get the connection? Which function? Connect only. Connect function present in which module? MySQL dot connector. Connect function is same. Even 30 years also, connect function remains same. Module name will change, but connect remains same. Cursor remains same. Execute remains same. What will different? Connection URL will be different. Connection values will be different. System and manager are the username password in where? Oracle. But MySQL username password is also different. Correct or not? Yes. Every Python program must create a cursor object. Same. Every Python program must design the query, place the query, and execute the query. Same. Every Python program must process the result coming from database software through cursor object. Same. Closing the connection, no need. It is an optional. Auto closable. Do you know auto closable? With open, all those things you have seen it. Same. So here, what is the different? Importing the module. Now, before going to my steps, I would like to tell you about how MySQL database look view. I want to tell you. What is the Oracle database? Don't go to that architecture, that to this, etc. Not at all needed for you. As a software engineer, what do you need? Oracle software is a collection of tables. Table is a collection of what? Records. Record is a collection of what? Field values. Sit properly. You are sitting like a KFC customer. While I'm going on the way, one KFC is there. There is one doll is there sitting like that. And adjacent to that, one space is also there. They will take photo by sitting there. Like that you are sitting. When I look at like that, I'm thinking like that on. Okay? Look at. Now I'll go to what? Where I am? What I'm discussing. Oracle database is a collection of what? Tables. Table is a collection of what? Records. Record is a collection of what? That's all. Come to MySQL. See how simple it is. How simple it is. No need to know who developed MySQL, who is that, etc., etc. Not necessary. If you want, I will show you one presentation for you. MySQL developed by My. My is called wife name of some person name. So that wife said to that person, please keep my name for your software. He said, okay. He said, okay, I'm dedicating this software for you. So finally, what happens? My SQL. So it becomes something like that. If you tell that story in interviews, they'll say, please get out from here, they will say. Don't tell that. You tell what? MySQL is also like RDBMS software. What are the rules of RDBMS you tell? Who is managing the MySQL? You remember, it is enough. What is MySQL if you ask? Now answer this question. Now I'm going to enter into the further. I'm going to take it paint. Paint, you take it. My dear students, please take care. And already you've seen the diagram of Oracle, right? Now I'm talking about here MySQL. I'm going to take up here. This is MySQL here. I'm just writing careful. Try to follow. See this. Let me take little down. Little down, I will take it. This is MySQL environment. So here I will write it. Here I am writing MySQL. Let me increase some font. MySQL is a collection of, as usual, same here, but little different. In MySQL also, you are going to get it tables only. Here also tables only will be there. In all RDBMS databases, data will be stored in the form of what? Tables. Tables, collection of tables, I'll write it. But collection of tables are not directly present in the MySQL. MySQL is a collection of what? Databases. Come on, spell out. Collection of what? Databases. Collection of databases. I hope your MySQL classes are completed already. I hope you completed, correct? Completed or not? Hmm? No, Sarah. Why? We already programmed now. We already programmed. We already said attend MySQL classes. Attended or not? Attended. Why? You don't tell. Sorry, now you may ask some questions like that. Are you like that? No. So come on to the point. Collection of what? Databases. Database is a collection of what again? Tables. Tables. Table is a collection of what? Records. Now I am asking question. Enough? More than enough? Come on, directly point. Where do you store records? Tables. Tables resides in where? Databases. Databases present in where? So if I want to locate the table, what you should locate first? Databases. Correct? To see the tables, first I have to go to where? Database. So MySQL is a collection of what? Databases. Database is a collection of what? Table is a collection of what? Good. First I have to create a table. What must create? Database. Do you know how to create a database? How do you create a table? Create table, table name, bracket, so and so. How to create a database? You only tell me. Create database, database name. See how you will get it. Create database, database name, semicolon, database will create. Inside the database, now I'm going to create what? Tables. Now I'm going to take up one database. Which database I'm developing? For example, I am developing banking database. I am developing banking project. I am developing that entire banking related tables are present in where? Banking database. I am writing here called what? Banking. Swati, very good mom. Banking is called one type of what? Database name. So banking is one of the database name. I am writing here database name. I am writing it is a database name. Inside of this database, what I will take it? I will take inside of that what? Customer table, customers table, and the next employees table, borrowers table, who took a loan from India and went to London and etc. different places. So I will take it as what? Table 1, table 2, table 3, n number of tables I will take it. Are you following me, students? Table 1, table 2, etc. This is called what? Table 1, table 2, etc. I'm going to write it. Table 1. Next is called a table 2. Next is called a table 3. Lot of tables I will create. Table 3, etc. Now I took it something like this. Now I'm going to take it. Table 1, table 2, table 3. I'm going to take it. Here table 2. So many number of tables I will take it. N number of tables I will take it. Each table will contain so many number of columns or not. So tell me, if I want to create a table, what is required to create? Database. Similarly, I want to create what? One university database I want to create. University database. Under that, what will be there? This is called university database. University database. This is called a database name. This is a database name. I'm going to take it. Under the database name, what I'm going to take up? Under the database name, I'm going to take up what? I'm going to take colleges list. Colleges list. Who are the colleges under that? And next is called what? University employees, university teaching employees, non-teaching employees, outsourcing employees. All table 1, table 2, n number of tables I will create. Are you following me? So MySQL architecture is containing first with what? databases. Databases contains what? Tables contains what? Good. To store the record, what should I create? Table. To create table, what is required? To see the database, where should I go? MySQL, if we want to have in my system, I need to install MySQL or not? That's all. To install MySQL, and you are in 2024 year, you are in 21st century, how you must be? If you look at, you have to fire it. Like that you must be. So you go for what? MySQL free download. MySQL free download for Windows. Here there is a MySQL link is there. MySQL link is there. Go to this place. Go to this new tab. Here it is available. This is not going to take much time for you. MySQL 32-bit download. MySQL, this also you can download. Any one of it you can download. This is powered by what? Oracle Corporation. Are you able to follow? You can go for it. That a suitable link I will give to you right now. Don't worry about it. Okay now? So if I'm teaching database now, definitely I will tell you how to install. Pick by pick I will keep it. Because I shown you Python installation also. Like that, if it is my subject, compulsory I will teach. If it other than my subject, because everybody is taking one module, they have to explain how to install the databases. So anyhow, come to the point back. Now I am entering into MySQL. In my class, go to the place. Here I am having all apps, MySQL. I am having here MySQL here. Somewhere else there is a MySQL. Under that MySQL command client, you click on that. Asking what? Come on. In my system, my password I gave root. Spell out root. So it is entered into where MySQL command prompt came. Earlier we got it what? SQL command prompt or not? Python command prompt, Windows command prompt, SQL command prompt, MySQL command prompt, Java command prompt. These are all called what? To test one instruction at a time. If you know one area perfect, other areas also different. Correct or not? Amirpet hostel, Bangalore hostel, same only. Here also sleeping up to 1:30 night, 1:30 YouTube watching. Bangalore hostel also watching up to 1:30 only. No difference. Only location change. Here also same. Command prompt, all SQL queries are same. All SQL query, insert, delete, update, select, fetch one, fetch many, everything same. Only module is different. Okay now? How to see the databases? I'll go to that. For my easy thing, because I want to copy and paste something, I'm having MySQL command line. I put on my thing for easiness, for the big font and all, same thing. I will say what? Root. Same, MySQL only. Now I'm going to see, I want to see the databases. Because MySQL collection of what? Databases. So I should see what now? To see the databases, I say what? Show databases. Spell out. Show databases. Show databases. Now see this now. Databases. In this MySQL, workbench is there and GUI mode is there. So many modes are there. There are so many things are there. I am not a MySQL faculty. I am not a SQL faculty. I am a Python faculty. So helping this is called what? Something more help I am doing it. Okay, student, Shravanti, MySQL teaching faculty told MySQL shell and workbench also. That's what I am saying. So they have to teach, even GUI also they have to explain. GUI also they have to explain. So here we are going to enter into this now. MySQL here, show databases, spell out once. Right. Under that, what is there? Databases, information underscore schema, MySQL, performance schema, SSIS. These are all called what? These are all called already inbuilt databases. I created there what? 11 AM batch. Recently 11 AM batch, one database is created by myself. How to enter into the database? How to enter into the database? Use database name. What is the database name? What is the database name? 11 a.m. batch. 11 a.m. batch, you need to say that database is entered inside. Now I want to see inside the database who is present. Tables. How to see the tables? Show tables. Spell out. Show tables. Show tables. Show tables. Now I'm going to say these are the tables which are present. Tables in where? 11 a.m. batch. So employee, student, and then what? Student result or something else is there. Now, how do you see the result of employee? How do you see the description of employee? DESC. Same. From here onwards, SQL commands. DESC. Come on, what is this? Employee. Employee. This is the one. Actually, learning database is easy. Faculty has to start the databases from normalization onwards. If you are BTech CSC in DBMS, there is a topic name called what? Normalization. Any BTech CSC students here? Yes. Good. Only one sincere student, two sincere students. So normalization studied? Oh, yes. Forget. 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, fourth normal form. This is the fundamental for learning. No faculty will explain this. That is the main topic actually. Is the main topic. So coming to the point. Anyhow, you see employee number. What is the data type in MySQL? Int. Name. What is the data type? Varchar. There in Oracle, Varchar 2. Data types will differ from one database to another database. Here what? Cell. What is this now? Double. You can happily use. I will tell you. What double you don't worry. C name is what again? Varchar. Like the so many number of data types are there in MySQL. I'm not going to tell all the data types because I'm not a MySQL faculty. I'm using Python to communicate. Because the database is what whenever I need, I will go and use it. After that, I will keep it in cold storage only. I don't want that. I want whenever I need, that's all. And main importance is what? With the language only importance is there. Will I use 24 hours database? No need. Whenever I need, I will use it. Otherwise, I'll keep it in storage. So coming to the point of it, I'll go for what? DSC. How do you get the data? Same. Select star from where? Employee. Select star from employee. This is my tables which are available. Are you able to follow? Now I will come out of that. What I will do? Exit. Coming out. Now I said entered. I came out. Once again, you tell me to go to that. I'll open now. You answer my questions now. Password is? Yes. Now I will see what first? Databases. How do you see the databases? Good. Show databases. Okay, semicolon. Nice. Next, I want to go to which database? 11 a.m. How to go? Use 11 a.m. batch. Okay, it is shifted to what? 11 a.m. batch. Next, I want to see the tables inside. How do you see? That's all. Show tables. Nothing is there inside. This is only what comments, like your mobile watching. How to develop that queries, that is an important. Select queries, communicating with Python, that is all very important. Shall I go now? Now I am telling how to create a database. Creating a database. Tell me. Create. So create database name KVR. Semicolon. What is that? Query okay. One row created, affected or something. Now check it out. Check it out. Show what? Databases. Is KVR created or not? I want to go to what now? Use what? KVR. Use KVR. Now what I will do? Show tables. Show what? Tables. Show tables. What is that? Empty. No data present inside. Inside of that, I will create what? Tables. Inside of this database, I will create what? Tables. How do you create a table? You already know, create table, table name and everything. So I'll stop. I'll come out of that. Now I want to remove this database. How do you remove the database? Drop, come on. Drop a database name. This is like that. Query is okay. Show databases. What is happening? Like this. Are you following? Easy or difficult? So now I will go to what? You know how to enter into the database environment? How to create databases, you know? Already you know how to create tables and everything. Now I will tell you, go to these steps. What is the first step? Import what? MySQL. Now, before importing this one, I must use this to install or not. This module is not present in where? Python software, it is not present. It is a third party module. It is a third party module developed by Oracle team only. This one I will use it. How to install it? From Windows command prompt, how to install pip install MySQL dot connector. Dot connector we are using, but when you are installing, go to that now. I'm going to say CMD. I'm going to use it. My dear students, please look at carefully. Now I'm saying, tell me now, pip, come on, install MySQL hyphen connector. This is the way you need to use. Hyphen here, there, dot. When I say this, if it is already installed, you'll get this requirement already satisfied. If you want to uninstall, you can go for what? Uninstall and all. You know that. You know how to uninstall. Nice. After installing that, you need to install one dependency module also. MySQL hyphen connector hyphen Python. You must install that. You must install that. This also, this requirement also satisfied. How many things are there? Two things are there. So two things you must install it. Go to your environment now. Go to your environment. Go to Python environment now. I'm going to use it. Go to this place. Come on, students. Import MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot connector. Say here print of what? MySQL dot connector dot underscore version underscore of. You are going to get 2.2.9. That is called version of it. Are you following? This is about how to test your whether it is installed or not. Go to where? PyCharm you go. Go to PyCharm. Here I am going to say. Yes, this is the one I am having. Better, I will close this part. I'll close this area. Let me close this part. Here I will close this. Here I am saying that close this project. Go to next 6 p.m. MySQL. 6 p.m. MySQL. So there I am going to take up virtual environment. System is very fast like you. So now I will go to the place. Here I will write it. Open this. Go to the place. Now come on. MySQL test. MySQL testing. MySQL test.py. MySQL test.py. There I'm going to write it. I will go to, come on, import MySQL dot connector. Now I'm writing print of that entire stuff. Now I'm writing there dot what? Underscore version underscore. Try to run it. You will get error. Module not found. You got it. Do you know how to solve this? Yes. How do you do that? Go to settings. Go to where? Settings. In this place, your things, Python, your project name, 6 p.m. SQL, Python interpreter. Python interpreter don't have the knowledge about what? MySQL. Go to where? Plus symbol or pip directly. Plus symbol. It will bring all the modules from Git and GitHub place. Now I'm going to use it what? MySQL hyphen what connector. So straightforward it is located. They gave you no author name is given. Oracle and its affiliates. Oracle and its affiliates means who support us. And MySQL driver written in where? Python. This module written in C language and Python. Are you following me? Yes. So it is still under the Oracle Corporation. Now you need to click on where? Install package. Install package. The version also you see 2.2.9. Where is my cursor is showing here? 2.2.9. So it is installed successfully. One more also you need to install, mom. That is also dependency one. So try to install MySQL connect -connector -Python. That also you install it. That also after installing. This is installed successfully. Now say close it and you say okay. Now already you know. I hope you did not see that. Two things are installed in that. Two things are installed. One is connector and this part is done. Now you try to run, students. Now you are successfully getting here. Are you able to follow? Now go to the place. Here some different version is coming. You can go to Jupyter Notebook also. Standard version is there. Official version only will be providing. Shall I move to further? Right. My module is ready. My environment is ready. So Python software is available. Python software is available. Next is called what? MySQL software is available with me. Next is called what is available here. Module is also ready. Shop is ready. Customer is ready. Customer is having the money module also installed. Ready to do the shopping now. Understand? Let us do the process. Go to the place. Now I'm going to enter into the steps. You go once. Import what module now? MySQL dot what? Connector. And the other thing I am not taking and required other. When Python programmer want to communicate with what? MySQL database. So Python programmer must import either this entire thing. Python programmer must import this I am writing. Which module I need to import? MySQL, this part I will write it. So must import this part. I say this. Don't think that a dot is called full stop. No. MySQL this side reading and a connector that I am reading danger. MySQL is a combinedly one only. That's why read immediately after going to home. Don't read whenever you feel comfortable. When you feel comfortable, mind will not feel comfortable. So MySQL dot connector as MyC, as MC, as what, as I'll write like this, as you can go for as some name MC1 or MQL like this. Are you following this? This is an alias name. Even alias name without also you can do. Many import statements and everything. Are you following now? As MC. Next, get the connection from where? Come on, fast. MySQL database. Go to the place. Now, students. After installing which module? MySQL.connection. The Python programmer must get the connection from which database? MySQL database. To get the connection from MySQL database, we must use connect function present in where? MySQL.connector module. There I am writing. Very, very simple. Here I am writing MySQL.connector and this entire thing you remove. There I am writing. See, students, very, very easy. Host is equal to, you must write what? DNS. Here also same local host and everything. DNS is nothing but what? DNS is nothing but what? DNS is nothing but here I wrote. DNS stands for DNS represents the name of the physical machine where database software resides. Today also same. IP address also called what? Internet protocol address full form. It is the physical name of the machine related address where database software resides, whose default DNS. Already written or not? Next, here next, comma, I need to write Next, I need to write user. Let's separate lines for option. User, I am writing user. So here, 1 minute. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. So here I will write a user is equal to what? Username. Username I will write it. Next time writing for your better understanding. Here I am writing. Say here PASSWD. PASSWD. This is password of what? Password of what? MySQL. That's all. Close. No need to use what? Service name. Service name is not provided. It won't ask during the installation time. These are the connection details. Same there also. Username, password, @ we follow at certain style. This is in another style we are following. Are you following? Connection function is same everything. See that here variable name represents what? Connection object. Of type what? Connection. Of what? MySQL module. No need to worry about it. Oracle DB, that you least bother about it. Here I am writing what? MySQL.connector represents name of the predefined third party module. Next, connect function, same to same. Connection from where? MySQL database. MySQL database. Here I am writing MySQL database. Username represents the name of what? MySQL database. Password represents what? Password of MySQL. Password of MySQL. DNS represents same here also. Host. Host I will write it. Host represents what? Host represents what? DNS. Represents DNS. Stands for domain naming service. DNS represents name of the physical machine. Continuation. IP address also same. IP address also represented here. I wrote it. No need to worry about service ID here. Remove. Same thing here. This entire thing is known as what? Connection URL. Here I am writing this entire thing. If I bring it, this entire thing, if I write it here, what is this now? Username. This entire thing called what? Next is called what? Username. And next is username. Here I am writing, comma. If I write it, and next is called what? Password. Is called what? What is that? Connection URL we can call. Is called what? Connection URL of which one? MySQL database. If we write anything wrong, if we write anything, if we specify any part of what? Connection URL wrong. If we specify any part of connection URL wrong, if we write or specify any part of connection URL wrong, then we get what? Exception called what? MySQL dot connector dot database error. Same to same. Come on, today I will write the code. Can I write the code? That code I will paste it here. Same to same. Go. Online students, I hope you are comfortable. Let us speed up the things. Now I'm going to take it. Look at students. What is this now? MySQL connection test.py. Test example 1.py. Very, very easy. So program for obtaining connection from program for obtaining connection from, come on, MySQL database. Here I am writing. Come on, import the module MySQL dot connector. Next, con is equal to what? MySQL dot connector dot connect off. I'll write connect off. Says, tell me, host is equal to what is this now? Local host. If your company stored the database in some other place, some address of some other machine, that address they will give. MySQL database installed in some other machine, they will give you that address. Comma, I will write what now? Here I am writing, students. I'll come to this place. Here I am writing. User is equal to what? Root. Username I gave in my system is root. Next I am writing here called what? PASSWD is equal to also what? Root. Close. Because of that, I am going to get it. Python got a connection from where? MySQL. Successful connection got it. Python program got connection from where? Connection MySQL. Try to run, and I will write moreover what? Try, and I'll write something like this. What is this now? Except MySQL dot connector dot database error. Database error. Automatically that will come DB. Simple. What is this now? Problem in MySQL. So, comma what? DB. That's all. So here I am writing. You can give alias name also. You can give your own name also. There is already stale. You know that. Run this now. Got it. Python program got connection from where? MySQL. Powerful. You can take it next. In place of host, local host, you can give it as what? 2.py. Go to this place. Copy this. Now I'm going to take 2.py. 2.py. There I'm going to write. Tell me 127.0.0.1. Beautiful. Run it. Got it. Done. Easy or difficult? Easy. Say something like root. Root 1 I am writing. Root 1. Exception. Come on. Problem in MySQL. Access denied. Because I am going to give you what? Unauthorized name I gave. It's not a person. Authorized person. Correct it. And you are going to get Python program got connection from where? MySQL. Comfortable? Right. What is completed? Connection object. Next I'll go for what? Cursor object. Easy. Not a difficult. Don't take much time. All of you. Come on now. What is my program name? MySQL. What object? Cursor. Example.py. Simple. Even the same program I can copy. Today, copy and paste work is important. Because my program only, I am only copying. I'm not copying anybody's program. Trend create. Don't copy anybody. You only create. You only copy. Copyrights result by yourself only. I'm typing everything now. Python program, everything typed or not? Like that. Program for creating which object? Cursor object. Now there I am writing. Tell me. I'll take my previous example. Here I am writing. Go to the place. Now I am saying create the cursor object. Come on. CUR is equal to CON dot cursor of. Easy. Today, dead easy. Python program created what? Cursor. Python program created what? Cursor. Do you know what is cursor, students? What is cursor? Cursor is a cursor. Cursor is called one object whose role is to carry the query from Python program to database, execute the query, and bring the results of the query in the form of cursor to what? Database. It is a middleware layer between Python program and database software. Understand? Right. Come to the point of it. I'm going to run my things. Now I'm going to say Python program got connection from where? MySQL. Python program created what object? Cursor. Clear or not clear? Okay, cursor is ready. Next, what I will create? Very good. Database. Everything is there in front of your eyes. What is subject? It is there in front of your eyes. Cursor is ready. When cursor is ready, I should tell to cursor, please create database. You will say what? Please design the query. Put it in my bus. I will hand over to MySQL engine. MySQL engine will create it and it will tell me Okay, cursor is created, tell to Python programmer, I'll print it. Simple. Let's go for the program. What that program says? Create what? Database. Okay, right. One announcement I am giving, one announcement in the middle of it. Here, this program I will get it. This program I will get it. So this program. Are you thinking announcement meaning is? Do you think? What is the announcement? Hmm? Do you think? Hmm? No. Anybody predicted? Oh, everything you will look at like that. Okay. So tomorrow, only at 6 p.m. No class. No class. Only at 6 p.m. batch, no class. Morning as usual. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock, no class. Only 6 p.m. no class. Okay, now? Thank you, Sarah. Huh? Okay. So, okay. Okay. Anjali is asking why, sir. Okay. When I am taking something permission from you, you are asking why, sir. Okay. I want to say because I am responsible to you. So, because, of course, it's very simple. When there is some urgency is there, then I will take leave because 6 p.m. tomorrow, one small reception is there. I need to go there. Actually, many times I don't go to many of the functions. Because of that, what is happening is relatives are feeling that you will not come is something like that. They will feel proud enough like that. Am I proud? Because they don't know our batting. Morning to evening, continuous batting, they don't know. They feel like that. What can I do, students? So they feel like that. When I say I have class at 6 o'clock, they will feel, what class? 6 o'clock, what classes are there? Everybody closing. They think they don't know. Even when we try to say they don't understand, they think like something. So that's why students. So something I cannot eliminate. So I have to attend. Okay now? So that's why students. Yes, my dear student. Ashutosh. So can't do anything, sir. Just make them happy. Ah, that's why. So I have to go compulsory. So that's why students don't feel. Tomorrow 6 p.m. what you will do? Oh, practice. See, girls are saying they're very happy, when 6 o'clock class is running, they're very happy. Everybody is a smiling face only. Everybody. No? Okay, what you do tomorrow is do at the same time, 6 o'clock, you sit right, open the laptop, practice all MySQL programs, SQL programs, everything you do. Feel like a class. Everybody should do. If you have respect on faculty, you need to do. Sir will say many things here and there, jumping, going, and all these things. Don't do. And the Friday holiday sir is giving 9 o'clock class is there. 9 o'clock class is there. 4 o'clock class is there. 7 o'clock class is there. All classes are there except your class. Because if function starts at 9 o'clock, I am very happy. Because 8 o'clock my class is there. Directly I will go to that place. I can attend. Actually, my family members, my missus and everybody will attend. But they are asking me to also to come. My presence will be there, but they are exclusively asking my presence. That's a problem. So I have to go compulsory. Actually, at 9 o'clock, it is very good because I can catch them. I can also enter like others. But it is starting at 7:30. 7:30 or 8 o'clock, they are just completing. So if I go at 9 o'clock, what is there? Plates are there, completed plates are there. What to do by seeing going there? That's why. If they make jokes means I cannot afford. I'm little sensitive. So they'll do many jokes. So they will say, oh, he came like that. They will feel like that. Okay, students. Right, ma. Nur. Okay. I'll go there. Mayank, tell them to attend your one session, sir. They will be speechless. Okay. If they come and sit now, they have to bring Jondubam also. If they attend my class, what they will understand? And students, when I go to my relatives' functions and all, Like you, my relatives, BTech students are so many are there. Nobody will come and speak to me. I don't know. They are there, here and there. Only their parents will speak to me. When I look at them, I'm seeing from so many years onwards, girls and boys all. When they look at me, they'll just escape like that. They'll try to. When I even call them, come here means okay, I will come by taking something. They will not. They will go and stand so much of distance. I don't know why. So anyhow, come to the point. Now I'll start with. Now I'll start with. So sometime, don't feel that. So even anything is there, I'll share with you because I cannot share with any other person. My students are my people to share. Okay, now come to the point. Database to create. Shall we write the code? Yes. Program for creating the database. Now I'll say MySQL, MySQL database create. Database create dot py. Database dot py. So I'm going to take up program for creating what? Database. So now I'm going to take up, I will define by using function now. Functions I will use it. Import as usual what? MySQL dot connector. Now I'm taking one function students. Create a DB. Create a DB. There I will take it as usual. Same to same. As usual. Everything I will get it same. Are you following me? Same thing I wrote it. I need not write again and again. No need to write this statement. Create the cursor object. What is that now? Con dot cursor of. Now create the database. How do you create the database? Design the query. You know, students, design the query and what? Execute. Design the query, comma, place the query in where? Cursor object and what? Execute. And execute. Tell me now, how do you do that? Database creation is equal to create database name 6 p.m. batch 6 p.m. batch 6 p.m. batch. Now you execute. How do you execute? cor dot execute of, come on students, DC. If that is successfully executed, say what? Database created in MySQL successfully. So verify. Are you able to follow? Yes. So this is the important thing today. I said run this now. And moreover, you check in MySQL, my dear students. Show databases. Do you have 6 p.m. here? No. So you have 5 only there here. You please run this now, students. Now see what is happening. Function call is required. Otherwise, no meaning. Main program is required. Main program. So I'm going to write main program. So here I will take it what? Create DB of. What this is called? Function call. Function call. This is called function call. Try to run, students. Indentation. Right? Good knowledge. So here, database created in MySQL successfully. Go to the place and check it out. Here I am writing 6 p.m. batch created or not? 6 p.m. batch created. If you run again, you will get exception. Already created now. One more thing, it won't create. See that, run it once again. See students, can't create a database 6 p.m. because it already exists. Even table also cannot create again, correct or not? Like that. You can remove the database also. Now I am going to take up. I will go to this place. Here I am writing. Here I will go. MySQL database remove. I am taking .py. Now I am going to copy this entire thing. Here I am writing now. See students. Creating database. My database. What is this now? Remove.py. This is called remove DB. Now I am going to take it. Come on, create. Directly I will write, students. Here only I will write it. Come on, more. Drop database name. What is the database name? 11 a.m. batch, for example. 11 a.m. batch is there. With me, 11 a.m. batch is there or not? I just want to drop it. 6 p.m. batch, you keep it. 11 a.m. batch, I want to drop it. In the tables, everything will be dropped. So go to the place. Here I am writing. What is the next mark? Remove DB. Remove what? DB. Function call. So drop database 11 a.m. batch. So database removed. Removed from where? MySQL successfully. Try to run it. So what is happening? Database removed. Go there and see this now. 11 a.m. is not there. Removed. If you try to run once again, you will get what? Exception. What is that exception? Right. Can't drop database 11 a.m. because it does not exist. Understand? See, everything is handled by what? Database error. Now think about it. Hundreds of databases are there tomorrow. My company asking, can you connect to any database? Yes, 100% I can connect. What you will expect? Module name plus connection details. Then you will connect to anything or not. Connect to function same, cursor same, execute same, fetch one same, fetch many same. Everything is same. Shall I go to next? I want to create the table now. Table. Database created or not? Students in the online, are you comfortable, students? I hope you are following me. Now I am going to enter into how to create the tables. Now I am entering into creating the tables. Go to students. Now I am going to enter into the next example. MySQL. MySQL. What is that? Table create. Table create.py. Table create.py. Program for creating table. Program for creating table in MySQL. Of course, you are in the same place. What you will do? Same to same. Import what? MySQL. By this time, you must be so perfect, students. So connector. Okay, DEF. What is the next? Create a table function. Everything same. I'll bring it. Can I bring it now? Yes. But when you are bringing there, must be careful enough. I will bring up to here. Students, I'll bring here also, this also. I will remove certain things. Here, I will remove this part. This part you remove. Now I decided to create which table? Employee table, for example, I decided to create. Tables are existing in where? Database. So during my connect time, I must specify one extra parameter today. During which time? Table creation. Which one I have to specify? Database name, comma, see carefully, comma, what is that now? Database is equal to what? 6 p.m. batch. 6 p.m. batch. Are you following? Finished. So whatever the table I am creating, that will create in where? 6 p.m. batch. Because every table is a part of what? Database. Very good. Now come on now. Define a query. Design query, comma. What is next? Place the query in where? In cursor and what? Execute. How do you do that? Table creation is equal to what? Create table name. Table name is what? Employee. Now be careful, students. Table name. Now I am going to say Lohit Kumar. Use database name. No need. So go to what? Create table name. Employee of what I am writing now. ENO. What is that? There I write a number of 2, number of 3, number of 4, etc. No need. Simply you will write what? Int. It is luckily matching with your what? Python. What is this int? MySQL data type. Number of 2, number of 3 is what? Oracle data type. So you are getting a conclusion. All SQL standards are same in all the databases, but database data types will differ. Database architecture may differ. Rest of the SQL commands are same because SQL is a common language for all the databases. So int, now I'm going to say create a table employee, ENO int. Next what? name I will take it, name. What is that? Int, I will say here primary key. Already you know na primary key? Name, what is the name, students? Varchar, varchar of 10. Varchar 2, no, varchar of 10. Comma, what is this now? Not null, comma what? Cell. And don't think that MySQL is only for Python program. Java programmers also will use. MySQL programmers also will use. Whoever wants the database, they will utilize and they will close it. Right or not? A big businessman can open an account in the bank. Normal people like us also can open the bank account. And even the person who is begging on the road also can open the account. So today I wondered, and of course, first you might be seen that today I've seen first time. And I've seen very far away, but today I've seen one person in Himayat Nagar crossroad. When signal is there, I'm just stopping there. One person came and asked, I said, by looking at that person, he can work anywhere. Minimum will get anywhere else 800 rupees, he will get minimum. And he's saying like that, everybody is saying. And one person, I said, go, I said, we should not encourage them. Really deserving, you have to. And that person, other person is giving something, he's searching here and there. Upper packet, I have seen not there. Lower packet, everything searched and not there. He's saying he removed from the something is there with that person, beggar, and he removed some scanner. He shown the scanner. See like that. And he also shocked, myself also shocked. How much they have to scan and pay the money. So that is what they improved their tech, they upgraded by themselves, correct or not? If you look at in their bag, what is there, mobile also might be there. Mobile also may be there. Giridharan is a modern. Is a modern beggar, yeah. Giridharan, exactly. Even I look at it, not bigger one, smaller one. Only like this, smaller one. In your mobile, off only will be there. Showing like that. And immediately after, whether he has done or not, I don't know. But signal came. Yeah, I think that he did not do that. Why? Scanning, entering PIN, again showing me see success. Then only will say go. Otherwise, will catch the neck. This is what people are. So like that, things are going on. So see, students, how this thing is. Digital India. Baba is a digital begging, that is called. They are good doing that only, digital begging. Okay. Anyhow, students, let us, what I seen it, I'm sharing. Number. What is the number? Sal is concerned. When Sal is coming here, there are two things are there. As far as the Python programmer is concerned, he can use float. What they said is Sal can be used. One data type is there, real constant values. Did you remember in my class? Floating point time. Real constant value is nothing but what? Integer part plus decimal part. You can use that as well as this. When I say real data type of MySQL, internally it is taken as a double data type. Float means what? According to the database, Sal is having less storage than what? Double. As far as our float is concerned, it is an object. It can store any amount of data. Are you able to follow? So it is most useful to the Java related kind of communication. But for us, float and real are one and the same, no problem. When I write here what? Real. Internally, MySQL will take what? Double. When I take float, it will take float only. Okay, na? Not null. Not null. Next time writing company name, COMP name. What is this? Varchar. Varchar of what? 10. Also what? Not null. Create. What is this now? Come on, students. COR dot execute of TC. Now table created successfully. Table created successfully in MySQL. Table created successfully in MySQL. Are you able to follow? Getting or not? What is that? Simple. Already you have done in your place. Now I am going to first time creating. Go once there. Come on. Use 6 p.m. 6 p.m. batch. 6 p.m. batch. There you say show what? Tables. It is no date. No tables are present. Now you execute. Now you execute, ma. See, run this. Of course, it is a function. I need to execute or not. So I need to execute. Main program I am taking, there I am talking. It is called what? Function call. Function call. So in this place is saying, line number 12. Okay. Line number 12, bracket, closing bracket. Yes, good. Run this code. Now what is happening? Table created successfully in MySQL. Go to that, MySQL. Show tables. Table created or not? Table created. See the table structure. Come on. DESC. What is this now? Employee. So see that. What is happening? ENO. See null. No. Null. No. Null. No. Key. Primary. PRI. Integer. I said double over. I said real there. What I got it? Double I got it. Varchar. Now you got it. One more time you execute. It will not create again. Why? Already where table employee already exists. Suppose if I am going to take teacher, I am taking teacher. There I am going to take it. Teacher number, teacher name, teacher subject. Okay, cell. And I am taking what today? Float I am taking, not null. This other things you remove. Enough. So do you try to run, students? See that table created. You go there. You see that show tables. Teacher. DESC. What is this now? Teacher. So you are getting what is that? Float is float only. Real is taken as what here? Double. I hope you are following. This is about how to create the tables. Now just imagine now altering, adding, alter with add, alter with modify. Same or not? Same now? Will you do it? Right. Now I will talk about how to insert the data. How to insert the data. Look at ma. Select star from where? Employee. Select star from employee. Employee, huh? Select star from employee. No data present. No data present. So now I need to insert the data or not? How to insert the data? That I need to start writing the coding. I need to write the coding. So to write that entire coding, already we have done now. See that in the coding level, if you go to that place, here if you observe it, see ma, last class, Oracle record insert 1, insert 2, insert 3. Three examples I said. First one fixed insertion. Second one only one record insertion. Third one what? With exceptions, everything written. I will take last one. Any objection? Will you do rest of them? Third one I will take. That I am not typing. My copyrights I am using to copy. Now I'll open it. PyCharm. This I will copy. Simply I will copy. I'll close. I'm using my program. See that. What is this now? MySQL record insert example dot what? Py. I will paste it. Just paste it. Oracle, this I will write it. MySQL record insert example 1.py. I never do that. Next what? MySQL dot connector. Okay. Come on now. Programmer defined exception. No problem. Same. Leave it as it is. Exceptions already done. Same thing. Leave it and go to record insert. Simply I will remove. What I will change? Only connection details I will change. My things are already perfect. Here, only this I will do it. Only this I will do it. Perfect. What is this now? MySQL dot connector dot connect. Of course, why that is not necessary. Already it is there. Cursor dot. Got it or not? Only thing is what? I will do the exception related. Only connection I will do, ma. Rest of them are same. Insert into employee. One E is not there. One E was missing in my example. E. I changed my table. Employee number, E name, salary, etc. Percentage D, percentages, percentage of percentages, company name and everything. You write it what? MySQL dot connector dot. Following? Any confusion? No. Run. See. Enter employee number 100. Enter employee number 100. Name rows 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Done. Next is called what? 100. Next is called what? Row sum. Next is called what? 2.3. And company name PSF. PSF. One record inserted in your table. Verify. Go there. MySQL. Select star from employee. Beautiful. MySQL is fully designed. Fully designed. Are you following? Next, do you want to insert another record? Yes. Yes. Employee number 200. Next is called Travis. Next is called 3.4. I say next is called pandas. Beautiful. One record inserted. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. 300. Next I will say next. I'll write like this. Now I'll write something like, 2.3. Now I'll say something like pandas 2. Done. Must contain only what? Alphabets. Error. Now say what? 300. 200. 300. Next is called what? Like this. Now I am saying 2.3 pandas. So pandas organization inserted. Yes, I'll say something like 125. 125. Dennis. Next I'm going to write 2.3 and a Bell Labs. Bell Labs. So written. Say no. I'll come out and see that number of records which are present here. You go there. Now see students. Is it inserted or not? All of them are inserted. We never bother about in which order it is because I will order my thing. Order by. I will use order by. Correct or not? With order by, whatever order I want, I can do that. Are you following? So before that insert 1, insert 2 is there now, you can easily do. What are the two things I'm doing changes? Module importing, connection changing, exception, module only I'm changing. Rest of them same now. So once you know one database communication, rest of the database communication is easy or difficult? Dead easy. That's why one database communication you are full thorough na. Other things are simply easy, not a difficult. So go to the next. Now I am entering into the other part. Now I am going to that. Next, what is the next step? Deleting the records. This is called insertion. Now I want to go for what? Deletion. With my own exceptions, I written it. Already you know this type of exceptions. Online students, comfortable? Huh? Today, I'm just converting that Oracle communication things with what? MySQL. Any difficulty you are feeling? No. First, you need to practice. Then you will not feel difficulty. Without practicing also, you will not feel difficulty. Sir is practicing like. You have to practice well, students. Let us move to the further. Go to what? Delete. Delete also two things I said, ma. Delete also two things I said. Where is that? Oracle delete example 1, delete example 2. Delete example 2 is most powerful one, which I am deleting continuously until you say no. I'll open it. See, my dear students, open this part. You copy this entire thing. Now I'm going to take up a new one, new. I'm saying MySQL record delete. Record delete example.py. Example.py. There I will take it Oracle related things close. Same here. MySQL record delete example.py. There I am going to write MySQL dot connector. Simple. Try these parts. I'll substitute with this. Simply, I will go to this. I take it. This part I'll replace. Everything same here. I'll write MySQL dot connector. Excellent. Problem in this message also you take care, ma. And previously also Oracle is there, you take care. And of course, that you might be understood already. And it's not an issue for you. And you can take care. This is called MySQL. That messages you take care. If I forget anywhere, you take care. Now come to students. Now here I am going to say employee, one E I am removing. Delete. Based on what? Employee number only I am removing. Comfort. Mom? Line number? Yeah, 16. Remove this. And this is not a problem. You can write. It's not a problem. Year. Main thing is year only. This is only message. This is a table name in the database. Run this. Start. I am entering. This is my tables. This is my records. You say happily. You say 123, which is not there. Record does not exist. Do you want to delete another one? Yes. I will say 100. 100, do you have a 100 is there? What is happening? One record deleted. You check it out whether it is removed or not. 100 gone. Next, you say 125. Yes, I will say. 125 you say. 125 also gone. 125 also gone. 125 is not there. You go to next, you say no. It is simply coming out of that. It is comes under what? Deleting the record. Easy or difficult? Easy. Whatever we did, only one small substitution I am doing. Update. Next I'll go for what? Update. Update also, if we look at syntax. Yesterday I said two types of updates. One update, update one, update two. Today I will open one update. Second programs I am taking. Of course, edit plus I don't want. I'll open directly that in the PyCharm so that I will copy this. Take this entire thing. I'm updating my data here. Say this, go to this place. MySQL update, record update, MySQL, record update, example dot what? Py. So there I'm going to post it. Simply go to MySQL record update. Here I will write it. MySQL dot connector. Simply I will just remove that. Take this part. Here I already is there. Get this part. Instead of that, you take this entire thing. Try to go for this. In these two places, I will write it. Rest of the places is called what? Update employee. This table is related. Very, very important. Here I will write it what? MySQL dot connector dot problem in MySQL. Simple. Finished. Right. Now I want to update with what? Travis. This is like this. Now company name I want to change. Salary is the one. Here I will write NumPy. Here I will write 10.4 I want to write. Enter the data. Run students. Enter the employee number. What is an employee number here? 200. 200 I will enter. Enter the new salary 12.34. Enter the company name NumPy org. NumPy org. See that one employee record updated. Go to the place and see this now. Is it updated or not? Updated. Next is called what? S. I'll say S. Enter the employee number. What is the number? 300. 300. enter the new salary, something like 34.56. And the next is called what? Pandas, pandas ORG, pandas ORG. Updated, check it out. It is also updated. Next is called what? No, it is coming out. Able to get it? Easier? So only thing is once you know one database communication, rest of them are very simple. Next, I'll go for what? Display the data. I said how many in our case? If you look at, see last class, select example 1, example 2, example 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all called what? Fetch 1, fetch many, fetch all. All of them will have that policy. And the last one is there. Table name is also there. Display the table name. I will take, select example 3, 4, anyone you take it and try to see. 3 I will take it. 6 you take it. It is your choice. You open 3. You open 6. You want to open 6? I'll open 6. Go to the 6. In the 6, what is there? 1, 2, 3 records. That 1, 2, 3 fields only we are going to get it. If you want to get it, you can get it. No issue. Select this. Now go to where? In this place, go to here. MySQL, select records. Select records. Dot what? Py. Dot py. So say this, paste here. There I will go to remove that. In this place, MySQL, select records. Here I am writing same to same. Dot connector. Here I will take it. Here I will take it. This part you carry. Select place. Paste it. Connection same. Here I'll write MySQL dot connector dot. Here I'll write MySQL. Simple. Done. There I am writing order by salary. Order by salary I am taking. Here if you want fetch all only, I said, if you want to go for it, record instead of 1, 2, 3, you can go to like this. Even if you want to keep it 1, 2, 3 also, no issue. Keep it 1, 2, 3, test the example and later we can change. So what is coming? 6 p.m. batch employee does not exist. That time I'll go to what? E. One E was missing there. Now C. Now coming to this. Sir, suddenly sometime I'm automatically excited. Is there any reason? Okay. So Himadri. Yeah. But don't excite. So now I'm asking subject related excitement or some other excitement? Huh? Exited. Okay. Okay. Now I thought excited. Exited. Exit. Exit. Okay. So I don't want to comment on your English. So Hemadri, I don't know the reason, ma. From our side, there is no termination or something. Maybe at your side, you checked your connection, I think so. Okay, Hemadri. Now, come to that. Now, I thought that something like exciting. Okay, I thought like that. Okay. Okay, Mamata. Same thing with, okay. Maybe network issue at your side. Take care. Now I'm going to, you have seen the result of that. You have seen the result of it. You got only like this. If you want to get it, this part, you can say what? Just record. Getting all the records and printing them. Get all the records. Only 2 records are there. If you want to run it once again, one more record you want to see, go to where? Record example. This you try to run it once. Here I will say employee number is called what? 250. Say some name is called like this and 0.0 I set, NIT I set. It is inserted. No I set. You execute this program. Which program that is? Select program. This is called a select program. You see, students, you got my data also. Are you getting what you inserted? You are getting the data. I hope you are following. So that is called what? Select. Selecting. What function I used? Fetch all. What you will do tomorrow? Fetch one, fetch many, all options, case one, case two, etc. Okay, now check all those things. Now, what is the next one? Enter the table name. Last part is table name is there. There is one thing called what? Display table example. I'm going to take up table example. This I will open. Enter any table name and get it. PyCharm, open it. Get the table name here. In MySQL, I say MySQL display table. With what? Column names and everything there or not? Metadata, everything same to same. So here I am writing MySQL display. I am going to write it here. MySQL dot connector. As usual, same students. Close that. As usual, same. Here also I will take up. Here I am writing. Say this part. I'm taking there and execute. And this everything. Here I will change. MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot. What is this now? Connector dot database error. Table does not exist. Try to run. Anywhere else? Enter table name. Okay. Try to run. Now say table name. Employee. You got the data. With column names came or not? Yes. You run it. I say what? Teacher. Teacher does not contain anything inside because nothing is there inside. Only column names are coming. You say something here. I say KVR. So what is happening? Table does not exist. That's all. So you are ready to communicate with how many databases? 2 databases, in future, if any database is coming, same library, same connect function, everything. What is different? Module is different. That connection details, if happily you can do the programming. So this completes what concept? Communication with what? Right. If I go to one small moment, you just see, my dear students, 1 minute you hold on. Go to the place. In that place, here I am going to write it. You observe it. Types of applications in this place. See, come on. In industry, we have 2 ways to store the data permanently. They are by using files, by using RDBMS database software. Are you seeing both of them? Right, done. You understood that part. One more thing, I will open it. Let us go to the place. Here I am writing. Here I am saying PDBC, you just observe. We have achieved the data persistency by using what? And it has the following limitations. Read out. Files of language does not contain security. Will not provide. Files are unable to store what? Large amount of data. There is no doubt in that. Files differ from one OS to another OS. Querying and processing the data from files is very complex because the file data is organized with indices. But when databases, tables are containing only columns, and that is the main point. And the files does not contain column names, but table names contains what? So that is good advantage with databases. You have seen overall picture. Which one is having more advantages? Python with a database communication. This is our topic. Understood? So online students, I hope it is more clear. With this, Python database connectivity with databases are over. Now, tomorrow, no class. I said the reason also. 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, no class. So, not mining 9 o'clock, important class. Data filtering, I am going to tell in Pandas. Don't miss it, important. 6 o'clock, not there. Online students. Giridharan, same. MongoDB also same. MongoDB also same, but MongoDB it is a NoSQL database. You have to learn something. MongoDB, you learn the tutorials. MongoDB, the faculty has to explain that. Connectivity is going to be MongoDB module will be there. Same connect function, everything is same. Okay. Now I'll stop my class. Tomorrow no class. At the 6 to 8, you sit quiet and calm and practice this example. Saturday class, I'm telling about decorator. Decorator concept I'm going to discuss. Decorator. Monday I will talk about oops. Your oops you studied in your college. That oops is oops. What I am explaining, that oops your knowledge. Okay, now Monday oops and Saturday decorator concept I'm going to tell you. Friday holiday, sorry is giving. Saturday, Sunday taking bag and underground for 3-4 days problem. Morning classes are there. Tomorrow 9 o'clock class is there. Saturday class is there. If you go, it will become something different. Don't go here and there. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class, 9 o'clock. Tomorrow, 6 o'clock, no class. Thank you. All the best.